Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Bang & Olufsen BEOSOUND balanced wireless omnidirectional speaker and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If this speaker is not pairing with your phone or other device, or if it's not connecting to Bluetooth, or if you're having any kind of issues like that you're trying to fix, a factory reset can fix a lot of these issues. The second reason you might want to do this is if you're just trying to set this up on a new network, on a new device, and you just want to clear everything off of it so that you can set this speaker up again like you're just setting up a brand new speaker. We can do this very easily. All we need to do for this reset is to come in, and with it switched on, we're just going to find the previous and the next, or the forward and the back, these two arrows. We're just going to press and hold them for simultaneously for 8 seconds. So after 8 seconds, that will trigger a factory reset on this speaker. It'll take a few seconds to do the reset, and it will turn back on, and you can set it up basically like you're setting it up just coming out of the box new.